Hello, customer service skills students. To get to Canvas and find your course, you need to first open up a browser. The browser is found usually in your taskbar, or it can be found on your desktop icons, but this one here is Chrome, and I'm going to open it up. I'm going to click in the address bar and type sac.edu, tap enter. It's going to take me to the Santa Ana College webpage. That's the home page. And if you look over here on the right top, you'll see Canvas link. So you got to click on there. Then you'll see the actual page to log in to Canvas. Click on the yellow button. Then you sign in using your WebAdvisor ID, which is your initials and a number. Type in your password. Click on login. And once you're in, you'll be in your dashboard. Your dashboard will have all the courses that you are taking or that you are registered for. So look through them and find VBUS 243 for this summer. It looks like it's this one here, VBUS 243 01955. Click on it. And that will show you your course in Canvas.